Assalamu alaikum to all Muslim worlds. This is Dr. Ilyas Ahmed from Sadat Qur'an Academy. Today we'll go at our further topic, the basic information of Tajweed, the rule and recognitions to read the Holy Quran. In previous topic, we talked about some basic rule of Holy Quran, like the meaning of Tajweed, meaning of Tartil, and we'll discuss about the explanation thing. Today we'll go the further. You know, I mentioned here the part of speeches. Part of speeches here. You'll see here, the guys. And these are the main part of speeches which we are using in our daily life for different purpose, for eating, inhaling the oxygen, okay, each and everything, okay, pronouncing the sound, okay, making the test. These are the main features, main parts of speeches and main part of body which we are using in our daily life for different purposes. Okay, I mentioned here the five part of speeches. Guys, you can see here, number one is throat. Number one is throat. This is our throat. This is our throat. You know, this is the scientific way, this is the scientific and the general way which we are using in the different languages basis. Number one is our throat, and it's the main part of speech. The first and the main part of speech. Okay. The second one is our tongue. Second one is our tongue. Third one is our mouth. Okay. Fourth one is our lips. And fifth one is our nose. These are the five part of speeches which we are using for the different part of speech, different language basis. Okay, now here a question that in Arabic side, how will use this part of speeches? You know, in previous topic, we'll talk about the basic and the main words of Arabic. For example, in the beginning of the Qaida, the basis of Holy Quran, there are the 29 Arabic letters. I told you 29 Arabic letters and 29 Arabic letters containing the 18 rules. 29 Arabic letters containing the 18 rules. I told you in the previous topic. Okay. Now here a question that how to pronounce these 29 Arabic letters and how to follow these 18 rule with the base of these part of speeches. With the base of this part of speeches. Now guys, keep it in your mind. We'll divide these rules to the different part of speeches. We'll make the groups. We'll make the group of the letters. For example, here's the 29 Arabic letters. 29 Arabic letters contain the five part of speeches. 4 is very much, but 1 is temporary. 4 is very much, 1 is temporary because here will not be pronounced the letter, but will pronounce the sound from the fifth part of speech. Now, will comes at the group of the letters, that how to mention the group. Okay, the first part of speech is our throat. Throat containing the 6 letters. Throat containing the 6 Arabic letters which will pronounce from the throat. Keep it in your mind, 6 Arabic letters containing the one group. 6 Arabic letter containing the one group, but the positions of the letter is different because 6 different letters will be pronounced from throat, and throat contain also 3 parts: middle, top and bottom part. Each part contain 2 different letters, 2 different sounds, but keep it in your mind, group is only one, position is different, purpose is different, compressive of the letter is also same. Is it clear now? The second part of speech is our tongue. Tongue contains 18 letters. Tongue contains 18 letters. 18 letters will be pronounced from our tongue, but the purpose is also different, position is different, and compressive thing is also different. But keep it your mind, 18 letters containing one group, one part of speech which will pronounce from our tongue. Tongue is the second part of speech. Okay, keep it your mind. There are five part of tongue. There are five part of tongue. Number one is root of tongue. Number two is middle of tongue. Number three is tip of tongue. Number four is front edge of tongue. And number five and the last is back edge of tongue. Okay, each part of tongue containing the minimum letters. Each part of tongue containing the minimum letters. I told you 18 letter making one group, but the positions of the letter is different because tongue has also five parts, each part containing the minimum letter. For example, if we'll go the very first part of tongue, which is root, root containing the two letter, but the positions is also changed. Position is also changed and purpose is also changed. Two different letters pronounced from the one part of tongue, but the pronunciation method is different. Now we'll come at the third part of speech. Third part of speech is our mouth. Mouth containing only and one letter. It is also temporary, which will ask about alif. Because here the science of alif is like that. Alif has no any exact place of articulation, exact makhraj, but in this position, we'll pronounce alif from the mouth, from the empty side of the mouth. Keep it your mind, guys. Alif have no any exact place of articulation. Now here also a question that why alif have no any place of articulation? Because alif change their positions. Alif change their position. You'll see here. I'll write here the alif. This is the letter alif. Now when alif becomes in this position, it has no any place of articulation exactly. But in this slanting line, like the stretching line, the name of the stretching line is alif. In this position, we'll pronounce it from the empty side of the mouth. The fourth part of speech is our lips. Lips containing the fourth letter, making the one group, but the positions of the letter is different. Purpose of the letter is also different because lips has also two parts, dry portion and wet portion. Okay, dry portion and wet portion. Two letter will be pronounced from the wet portion, two letter will be pronounced from the dry portions. Okay, fifth part of speech is our nose. I told you from nose we cannot be pronounce any letter, but we'll pronounce only sound. Now here a question, which sound we'll pronounce from the nose? From the nose we'll pronounce just the two sounds like ikhfa and gunna. Ikhfa and gunna. Sometimes we hide the sound partially in nose, sometimes we hide the sound completely in nose. I hope this is the main topic for today and it's enough for today. Inshallah, we'll come in next topic to go the further part of speeches in with the explanation way. Please follow us, subscribe us and share it. Thank you very much.